Every morning I got up and I did my makeup. And everybody that came in swore I was getting checked out that day. And no, I'm here for a couple of days, but I don't want to be in a hospital gown, so that's not what I'm wearing today. In November of 2013, I had this indescribable pain on my chest and a persistent cough that didn't want to go anywhere. So I went to my primary care physician, and she sent me to the emergency room. 2 days later, I went to the oncologist, and it was determined that I had diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, stage 4. So I had 6 treatments of chemotherapy, and they were aggressive treatments. Every 3 weeks, I was in the hospital for 5 to 7 days getting constant chemo. Every morning I got up and I did my makeup. And everybody that came in swore I was getting checked out that day. And no, I'm here for a couple of days, but I don't want to be in a hospital gown, so that's not what I'm wearing today. I had so much support during my, my treatments that it actually got on my nerves, and I had to be told to just be patient. They have to be there for you, so let them. On March 7th, 2014, I get the call, and my nurse said, "Hey Monica, how you doing?" I said, "I'm good, how are you?" She said, "Well, I have some news for you. You got your PET scan done a couple of days ago, and we have the results for you." And I said, "Okay." And she says, "You're cancer free." And I was like, "Oh my God, oh my God." I jumped up and down, and I had to tell somebody, but nobody was there. So I ran downstairs to my neighbor and knocked on the door. I'm banging on the door at 9 o'clock in the morning. She's like, "What's going on? What's going on?" And I'm, Miss Jackie, I'm cancer free, I'm cancer free. But it was so exciting. I think that's the best news I have ever received in my life. My support system was absolutely amazing. I got out of the hospital, and all of my first cousins from Mississippi were there by my side. I went in with a positive mindset, saying, you know what, God gave me this, but He also gave me doctors and holistic treatments to take care of this. So science and medicine combined, I got it taken care of.